On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the Specialized Fatboy SE. This is a really cool fat bike from Specialized. It's their lowest price offering, but it basically gives you all of the performance of a high-end fat bike. So basically this uses a M5 aluminum frame. So this is gonna have their alloy frame, which does feature internal cable routing, which is an awesome feature on this bike. And then it's got these beautiful dropouts with 12 by 197 in the rear. So you got through axle, and it helps to save some cost on the traditional fat bike by running an alloy fork. And you would be hard pressed to know that this is alloy instead of carbon, because it looks like a carbon fork, but of course you can see the weld at the crown and at the dropout. But the front end is going to run 15 by 150, which is traditional through axle for a fat bike. So you could swap out a Bluto or something like that and run these same wheels and tires. For the wheels, you've got these stout rims, which are tubeless ready, and then they're laced up with some ground control 26 by 4.6 tires in the sport casing. So the tire is not tubeless, but you could get a tubeless tire, mount that up, and it would work out great. And of course, it's stout hubs, and at this price point, you're actually getting sealed bearings. So those are the Stout Pro hubs. So that's actually a super nice hub set for the bike. Now the bike's also going to be set up with a Stout crankset, which is threaded. So this is a threaded bottom bracket. So that's a nice thing to have. And then you've got water bottle bosses on the seat tube, as well as 3 of them on the down tube, so you can run some SWAT cages, and 2 of them on the underside of the down tube. So this bike is really set up to be able to carry some extra gear if you so wanted to. Now it's going to have a spot up here where you could run one of their stop blocks, which would allow you to run the Manitou Mastodon fork, but if you ran a suspension Bluto, you wouldn't even need to do that. Now it's a 30.9 seat post. It's an alloy seat post matched up to this Specialized hinge saddle. And then up front, you're gonna get a Stout cockpit, so a Stout stem and handlebar, 31.8, nice and wide. And you've got some lock-on waffle style grips from Specialized. Now, they help to save a little bit of money and bring down the price with these brakes. This is a Tektro Aries mechanical disc brake, both the front and the rear. But up front, they're running a 200mm rotor, so you're gonna have a plenty large rotor to be able to slow this bike down. And then for drivetrain, it's gonna have the Deore 10-speed. So this is an M6000 Deore 1x drivetrain. So you've got a clutched rear derailleur, and that's being run on a Sunrace cassette. So you've got a nice wide range cassette. So that's a look at this 2019 Specialized Fatboy SE. Let's go ahead and find out what it weighs. The Fatboy SE in a size large is going to weigh in at just under 33 pounds. Well, thanks for watching this video on the 2019 Specialized Fatboy SE. This is a pretty sweet bike, awesome one to get you out on these nice snowy trails, and would be a super sweet bike for the season. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to drop a thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video.